that's the camera output from the drone. Let's start it. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, here we go. I pull from the camera. And then I just kind of simply mapped in the browser the keyboard controls, the arrow keys, and space key to start land it. So we can go right. Yeah. Left. Hello. We can go up. We can go at least this high. Also control it again. We could also do some crazy kind of like flips and things, but I'm afraid there's not enough room here. But over there, later on, we will be really having fun. Oh, target. Stream. Stay on target. Oh. By the way, if you're ever under attack by a drone, just flip it over to the